What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. Today I'm going to do a walk around video of this brand new Mercedes A220 that I just wrapped in chrome for free. This is gloss titanium chrome by Hexus, one of the hardest materials you'll ever install. Definitely don't recommend it for beginners or even intermediates. It's an advanced product to install. It's very hard. A little embossing on the gas cap there. Now, if you guys are looking for how to install a material like this, or even easier stuff like an entire beginner 101 section, check out my website, ckwraps.com. I'll put a link in the top corner and in the description below for you guys. I've been adding substantially a lot of videos to the beginner 101 section specifically to help get you guys going. So if you want to start out as a hobby, which is what I did in my business, I just wanted to wrap my car, and so it was just a hobby in the beginning, which then turned into a business. Or you can start out making some money on the side. My website videos will help you get there and teaching you how to wrap with many different brands, many different materials, many different finishes, many different cars, and very specific videos on details, which are obviously important. 4K point of view camera and so forth. Again, links in the top corner and the description below for you. Let's get into the actual wrap itself. This wrap is ceramic coated with using G Technique, and again, I did do this car for free. I did this car for free because this is for Nav, who works for CK Wraps, or works at CK Wraps. He's been doing an amazing job this year. We had a really good year, and I said, heck it, why not? I'll do a full chrome wrap for this guy for free because he's been working so hard. We had a good year, and he deserves it. So you're very welcome, Nav. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Enjoy your new wrap on your new car. This is pretty much a brand new car. The paint job, a little disappointing. I'll put a little snippet of a video in there of Mercedes' amazing paint job, which is actually not so amazing at all. I've seen this before on a C63 AMG. I've seen it on a bunch of other Mercedes as well. Not in the same spot, but I've seen some pretty bad paint jobs. It's funny because I was actually looking at possibly getting one of these. Nah, I'm not gonna do it anymore. I'm just too finicky with the paint. My Jeep has a nicer paint job than this thing does, which is so crazy, right? Anyways, besides the point, car looks amazing. The finish on this film is one of the best, or probably the best chrome by far. It's super glossy, very mirrored, looks great. With the ceramic coating on it, it doesn't really add a lot of luster, but it does help keep the wrap looking better for longer. It's going to protect against UV. It's going to protect probably against some light swirl marks and scratches because you're not going to have to scrub it so much. This product is again available on Vvivid's website. I'll put a direct link to the product in the description below for you guys. Pick it up. It's like 150 bucks for a 50 ml bottle or something like that. This gets you several cars done, at least 2 coats each. So 2 coats a car minimum. I wouldn't do 1 coat. You're just going to waste your time. You can, but it won't last very. They might come off in like a year or so. A couple of coats will last you a lot longer. It's going to protect the finish a lot more. Especially important for chrome or gloss wraps because you don't want them to scratch. You don't want to be scrubbing the car when you're washing it. You want the dirt to wash off more freely and more easily with less agitation. You still have to agitate the dirt. It's not like completely bulletproof stuff, but because it still has some level of adhesion when dirt will cling to it. So dirt will cling to it at some point, salt, things like that, but it will still protect the wrap much better than without it. And again, for the price that it costs, it's well worth the product. This is one-step application, guys. You don't need any kind of special certification or anything to do this. It's pretty straightforward. You can mess it up, so just follow the instructions below on the actual box itself or even online. There's instructions there as well. Now, let's actually do a little walk around of the vehicle and have a look at it because I think it looks great. All right, guys, let's have a little walk around here. I'm not gonna bring you in too close because I don't want you to see all my secrets. But we can see the front bumper looking really good. Looks really good over there. Guys, music next door is blasting. It's a little distracting. It's Saturday, we're at work on a Saturday, right? Look at this thing, it looks amazing. It's like a bullet. It looks really, really good. Wow, the back end is probably one of my favorite parts, to be honest. Again, the door handles were left. There's no sensors to wrap on this car, which is really nice, the fact that there's no sensors. So it's a lot easier to do. Super glossy, guys. Looks really, really good. I know that Nav will be happy when he picks it up. All right, guys, so as I was saying, again, this is one of the hardest materials to use. This piece down here, I actually did it in one piece. This recess in here and everything, this is all one piece all the way across. I can manipulate the film easy or well enough to be able to actually do that in one piece with no air bubbles or nothing going on in there. Again, these little tricks and techniques and things like that will be available on my website as far as videos go. This won't be up there right away, but it'll be up there eventually. There's other stuff on there you guys can check out. Again, ceramic coated. I'm excited to see Nav's expression when he goes to pick this up. Again, a little embossing on the gas cap door. He wanted that. Again, I would have wrapped the door handles, personally speaking. I know the sensors will work, but we'll leave them black. It's up to him. Anyways, guys, I hope that you kind of enjoyed the little walk around video, a little explanation here of what's going on with the wrap, and that's pretty much it. I'm looking forward to doing more videos for you guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Take care.